Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be talking about some of the stuff that I wish somebody just told me before. मतलब काश कोई बता देता और मुझे ये सब experience से ना सीखना पड़ता. Yes, so yeah, let's get started. So if you're in class 10th, 9th, 8th, or you know what, in whatever class you are, if you follow these tips, trust me, you're gonna be better version of yourself each day. So yes, moving to the first tip, which is compartmentalize your life. Now what I mean when I say the word compartmentalize, which is, if let's just say you have different goals, which is true, everybody have their different sets of goals. You have, let's take some generic ones. You have goal for your body, that you want to get in shape by this, right? Or you have some academic goals, that you want to hit this score by this. And let's just say you have other goals in life. You want to be good at this sport, or you want to be good at playing this instrument. Now whatever goals you have, compartmentalize them accordingly and make a routine. I think routine बनाने वाला या time table बनाने वाला काम तो हम हर कोई कर लेता है. The thing is how we manage that thing, right? So for the longest time, if I tell you guys my story, कि अगर मेरा एक चीज भी बिगड़ जाती थी तो I interlink everything. एंड अगर मैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मेरी रूटीन स्टार्ट हो रही है सुबह 5 बजे उठने से, और अगर मैं 5 बजे के बजाय 5:30 उठ रही हूँ, देन आई बी लाइक पूरा दिन खराब हो गया, अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट डे, दैट हाउ आई यूज्ड टू बिहेव फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम ऑफ माई लाइफ. Like ever since I could remember, if one thing slips away from the entire this delicate castle that I've built, I'd be like, oh my god, everything is ruined. My whole entire day is ruined. And then I'd crawl back to my bad habits. That's, I think, and that's what most of the people do. So when you compartmentalize different things, you have this opportunity कि अगर एक चीज खराब हो रही है, it's okay. Let that alone be to that compartment. You can go to the different compartment. For example, अगर सुबह 5 बजे नहीं उठा जा रहा है, it's okay. वो सुबह उठने वाला compartment खराब हुआ है. You can still work on your exercise or your study वाला compartment, या workout वाला, या कुछ instrument, जो भी. You get the point, right? And when I think of this, I also want to tell you that जो मैंने starting में बोला था, if you're in class, if you're in high school, learn a skill. I beg of you, please do learn a skill. Be it a language, be it a sport, be it any instrument. Please learn something. It's gonna help you so much, because this is the time where you actually do have time for yourself. आगे जाके नहीं मिलने वाला है ना. मैं डरा नहीं रही हूँ, but trust me, it's the best time. You have the least amount of stress possible. Even if you're a stubborn overthinker, you do have quite less stuff to overthink about. Trust me, do learn a skill. Which brings me to my another very niche, non-basic tip that I discovered myself, is have an alter ego. Now what do I mean by having alter ego? Is the personality and the way you carry yourself in the school should be different from the personality and the way you carry yourself in your tuition or whatever place you go to, and the personality you carry yourself at your home should be different from all the other personalities that you have. It is very helpful. अब ये determine कैसे करोगे what personality you have around different people is obviously that will be determined by the people you have around yourself. And don't just confine yourself within a certain group of people. अगर तुम्हारे कुछ दोस्त बन चुके हैं, don't be stuck around them. Trust me, I did that and I regretted quite a lot of time. It's not that I had very few friends, I had many friends growing up. I mean, I'm still growing up, but in my high school, but I still wish that, I wish I would have been friends with that friend group, or have different friend group. Be open. That's what I'm telling you. And for that, the best thing I can advise you is have alter egos, which mean have different personalities for different type of groups, which will make you so flexible, so accommodable, and trust me, that is the best thing that you're gonna ever do to yourself. Now, if I have to summarize everything that I've told you, it would be compartmentalize your life, have an alter ego, learn different skills, lot many skills, like weaponize and utilize your time as much as you can, and have different friend groups, for which you need different alter ego, so we are interlinked. Which brings me to the last part, is that be off of your phone. अब मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के तुम्हें ये नहीं बोल सकती हूँ कि completely delete all your social media, because that is not possible. I shouldn't say that because it is possible, but anyways, my point is, जितना तुम रील स्क्रॉल करोगे तुम्हारी मेमोरी की रिटेंशन पावर उतनी ही कम होगी, तुम्हारा अटेंशन स्पैम विल बी रेड. And trust me, that thing is true, but I guess you all guys are aware enough. मुझे यहाँ आगे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है the pros and cons of using social media. The one thing that I always did before my exams, वो मैंने last में करना शुरू किया था, but I wish I had it done earlier, which is I used to delete all of my socials 1 week before my exams. उससे क्या हो रहा है, मेरा जो रिटेंशन पावर है वो पूरी वापस तो नहीं आ पा रही है, लेकिन थोड़ी सी तो वापस आ ही जाती है, विच इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. लाइक completely off, no YouTube, no Instagram, no Snapchat or whatever socials you use. Just be completely off from everything. Obviously these are all tips जो कि मैं सिर्फ दे ही सकती हूँ, लेना ना लेना it's all up to you. And if I talk about things that you shouldn't do in high school, that obviously be drugs probably. No, but yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you have watched this video till the very end, thank you so much. Make sure you do drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have some of your high school tips. So yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next one.